Hi everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here to do a couple of chess puzzles. Try to figure these out in, a minute to 2 minutes for fun and trying to improve my game. All right, so we're looking at this puzzle and they just taken the pawn. I want to say I'm looking at the rook, so maybe taking the pawn. Usually with these, they want you to put the king in check, so I could put the king in check with the knight from knight c to d6 there, or the queen. I don't want to do the knight because he would just take it with the bishop. So then visualizing if I put the queen on e4, he's going to block with the knight, and then, with the bishop, and then I'll put him in check again with the knight and he will be pinned. But then what do I do? All right. He's just going to move his king over. So it's like 3 moves. So that's where I'm at, about 3 moves. And then, okay. So if you want to pause the video, see if you get it before me. All right, here we go. I'm going to move the queen. Put him in check. Okay, yeah, blocks with the bishop. Now I'm going to move the knight. Okay, so I'm thinking my queen, putting it on h7. No, I'm not going to do that. And then take with the... Okay, so there it is, right there, actually. It is the queen taking the queen. All right. So that's one. All right, let's try a new one. All right, so we got the queen over. We've got first one. I'm thinking is the bishop to put the king in check. Yeah, I think that might be it. Or the queen to, and that's pinning that piece. All right, so if you want to pause the video here. Okay, so I think bishop h3 to e6 check and then taking the queen. So just up material there. And that was it. Okay, let's try one more. So we'll get 3 in. Oops. Okay, we'll just do it really quick. Check and take. So 2 takes on the queen for this round. All right. Next one. All right. This is a common move, common opening. Okay. Pinning the knight. The queen is already there. So taking the knight, then taking with the bishop. Take, then they take, then I take, then they take. So that looks like it might be it. So 3 steps there. Okay, if you want to pause the video here. Okay, I think this might be it. So knight takes bishop, then they take. Do I want to take the knight? So if I take the knight, then he takes my queen, so I get 2. I think that might be it. This is the order. Take, yeah. And then he takes, and then I take his queen. He takes, and then I take his bishop. So you're up material. All right, so thanks for watching these 3 videos about taking the queen. All right. And that was surprising with that last one. And if you'd like to subscribe for more videos, I appreciate it. All right, take care.